The RYOBI 18-volt SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner is ideal for quick spill cleanups and will help prevent set-in stains. Today, I'll show you how to set up, properly use, and clean your SWIFTClean to maintain maximum performance. Included in the box is the SWIFTClean intake nozzle, solution tank, dirty tank, foam filter, and a 6-ounce bottle of RYOBI ready-to-use oxy-cleaning solution. If you purchase the kit version of the SWIFTClean, a 2-amp-hour battery and charger are also included. First, I'll walk through the steps to get your SWIFTClean quickly set up and ready to use. Start by removing the solution tank from the SWIFTClean and unscrewing the top. Next, fill the solution tank with the RYOBI ready-to-use oxy solution. Then screw the lid back on the solution tank and attach it to the tool. Then click in the battery. The SWIFTClean is compatible with any RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ battery. For a fresh spill, press the power button to activate the tool's powerful suction and pull back over the stain. Then spray the oxy solution and turn on the powered brush roll for a deep clean. If the spill has had time to dry, spray the oxy solution first. Ensure the stain is covered but not soaked. Turn on the powered brush roll to agitate the debris, then press the power button to activate the suction and lift the stain. Cleaning your SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner. For best performance, regularly clean your SWIFTClean. Be sure to remove the battery after each use and before cleaning. First, remove the solution tank, dirty tank, and intake nozzle. All of these clear components can be hand washed or can be placed in the top rack of your dishwasher. Next, use any coin or slotted screwdriver to remove the roller bar. If hair gets wrapped around the roller bar, the scissor groove makes it easy to remove without damage. Once the roller bar is removed and free of any wrapped hair, simply rinse it off in the sink. After removing the dirty tank, remove the foam filter. Regularly clean the foam filter with soapy water and rinse. Let all components of your SWIFTClean air dry for at least 24 hours before use again. Do's and don'ts. Following a few simple do's and don'ts will help keep your SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner working like new. When using and storing your SWIFTClean, keep it in the horizontal position and do not use upright. When using the SWIFTClean, empty the dirty tank when it hits the max fill line. Do not clean or store your SWIFTClean with the battery in. You can find additional RYOBI oxy solution at homedepot.com by searching model number A32S056. For best performance results, follow these guidelines for setting up, using, and cleaning your RYOBI 18-volt SWIFTClean Spot Cleaner. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579.